Let us see how to create this part in the SolidWorks. Start the SolidWorks and go to the new option. Select the part design and then OK. Select the front plane, sketch, draw the circle. This is 16 mm diameter and this is 40 mm diameter. Draw a line. Now give the dimension. Here it is 16 mm, 12 mm, sorry, 12 mm, and it's also 12 mm. Go to the trim option, trim this part, select these two points and coincide, make it horizontal, and this length is 80. Now, if the distance from the center is so center 60 plus 20 80. Now exit, extrude, reverse direction 40 mm and then OK. Now select the front plane, sketch, draw the rectangle. This is 16 mm length and this is 12 mm and then from the sketch. Now extrude cut, then OK. So now we will use fillet, the fourth option, that is full round fillet. Select the first face, second face, and then select the third face and then give it. Similarly, for the lower feature also, apply the fillet, full round fillet, select the first face, second face, and third face, and then give it. Now select the plane and then sketch, draw the circle here, that is 16 mm. Now select circle and outer edge, make it concentric, and then exit. Now extrude cut. OK. Now select this plane, sketch, 16 mm. Now select these two edges, make it concentric, and then fix it. Now extrude cut. Change this length to 60, but it was in 80. It should be 60. So select this one, should be 60. It has to be 40. So change it to 60. Select the sketch, edit sketch, change it to 60. Then that's it. So apply the color. Now you can see the part. This completes the part design. Thank you.